When it comes to making money or earning from cryptocurrency, you have to understand there are tens of different strategies. You can do day trading, okay? You can do futures and options. You can do mining. You can do short-term trading, swing trading. You can do long-term buy and hold. You can do staking. You can do yield farming. Okay, you can do NFTs. There is a lot of things you can do to make money. But you have to ask yourself again, what kind of a person do I see myself? Do I see myself as a buy and hold long term investor who does not want to do trading? Or do I see myself as a trader because I want to do trading? Or do I see myself as a miner because I want to mine cryptocurrencies? And whatever you write on your plan, you have to write that I'm going to stick with it. For example, I tried trading in the month of December and January. I made some money, I lost some money, but I realized that day trading is not for me. So I'm not doing day trading anymore because I realized I don't have great control over my emotions when it comes to day trading. That is what I realized about myself. As soon as the price would go down by 5 or 7% in a single day, I would feel anxious. If I would feel anxious, I would take wrong decisions and I would get out of a trade either early or very late. That's why I stopped doing day trading. I started buying and holding cryptocurrencies for a good amount of time and then selling them at a profit because that made me feel less anxious and I did not have to sit at my laptop 24/7. So, for example, if I'm buying, let's say, I'm buying $100 of Ethereum at $2,000, I'm okay holding it until it does not reach $4,000, which is 2x, and then selling it because I have made profit. And I have created a structure that has been working for myself. And I highly recommend that you create a structure that works for you. You have to understand whether you want to do trading, whether you want to do hodling, which means buy and hold, or hodl, whether you want to do mining, staking, all of these things you have to understand. Every one of them is profitable, but you have to understand if it's profitable, it will require your time, dedication, and will require you to learn that skill. Nothing comes for free. It's not that you invest $100 today and you will expect $500 by doing nothing. No, even if you are not doing anything, you are controlling and managing your emotions for that 1 year or 2 years or 5 years. I hardly know of people who had purchased Bitcoin in 2013-14 and had not sold in the next 1 or 2 years. Very few people who just purchased and held. I just know one person, and that too on Twitter, like never met, but I just know one person who just started purchasing it from 2011 and has not sold a single dollar of crypto. So you need to understand about this as well. And think about it. What kind of a person are you? And let me know in the chat as well. Like, are you a trader? Are you a hodler? Are you a miner? Are you a pre-sale ICO person? Let me know in the chat.